Hello everyone. So let's talk about what is binary shifting, what is left shifting, what is right shifting. So before talking about binary shifting, let's talk about binary a little bit. So here I have my Excel sheet. So you people might be wondering that what I'm doing with my Excel sheet. So it is nothing. We have some expressions that is 2 raised to the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. There could be infinitely many. And then under the expression, we have the value of that particular expression. And after that, I have my binary code, that is yellow highlighted code. So suppose I have a binary code that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So you can see here the number is 0. So how this code is working actually? So it is very simple. If you can see here, I have put the formula, which is just simply making product of these two cells. Similarly here. So we are just doing product of these two cells, and then we are adding all the products together. So suppose I have 0 here, 0, 0. Suppose I have 0 here, 0, 0, 0. So then 0 multiplied by 1 will become 0, and so on. So our binary code is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And the corresponding number to that binary code is 0. Suppose I put 1 here, then my number will become 1. If I put 1 here, then my number will become 3. And it is pretty much intuitive. Suppose I put a 1 here, here, and here. You can see like this is how binary works. So this is just a simple trick to calculate number from binary digits. So now let's talk about what is binary shifting. Suppose I have a number, let's say 1, 1. So this is the binary code 1, 1, 0 for the number 3. Suppose in C I am writing binary shift 3 by 1 unit. So what I will do, I will just simply shift the binary code one step to the right. So after shifting, my code will look something like this. You can see I have shifted the whole binary code towards the right 1 unit, and my number will now become 6. Suppose if I shift 2 unit the same code, then my number will become 4, and I can do it like anytime. Like in 3 shifts it will become 24. And why just for 3? Like you can take any number. Suppose we have 1 here, like 0, 0, 1, and we know that this binary corresponds to 28. Suppose I shift this binary by 1 unit, then this 28 will become 56. And suppose if I shift this same binary by 2 units, then my number will become 112. So this is how our binary shift program works in C. So here I have some pre-written code that I have copied from Geeks for Geeks. So here you can see that we have A, which is equals to 5, we have B, which is equals to 9, and also we have corresponding binary codes of A and B. So first of all, let's talk about A. So corresponding binary code for A is 0101. So let's check it here. I have 0, 1. Okay, I think it is 5 now. Please, let me make other zeros. Okay, so this is the binary code for 5, that is 1010. Okay, will not consider the zeros that are after the 1. So also it is not necessary for us to consider this 0, but we consider it for our own sake. So we can say our binary code is 1010 for 5. Suppose I have to shift 5 towards the right 1 unit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna binary shift my 5 1 unit in the right direction. So I can just simply put 0 here, 1 here, 0 here, and 1 here. So as you can see that I have shifted my binary code that is corresponding to 5 1 unit towards the right, and the number I got is 10. So now let's see what our code will give us. So here we have A equals to 5, and I am shifting 5 1 unit. Now let's see, and Okay, there are some warnings, but that are not necessary. So you can see that when we shifted A 1 units towards the right, we got 10. And when we did it here, we got 10. So binary shifting simply means shifting the whole binary code 1, 2, 3, or whatever unit in either left direction or in either right direction. Suppose if I have to shift this 2 units, then I can simply say 1, 0, 0, 1 here. So here you can see I've shifted 5 2 units towards the right, and the answer I'm getting is 20. So suppose if I put 2 here, then what will I get? It's running. See, it's 20. And in case of like, suppose if you want to shift it 3 units, just simply shift it 3 units, and the answer we are getting is 40. And now we can expect our code that it will give us 40 only. Yeah, here it is. It is giving us 40. So this is about right shifting. And you people might be wondering what is left shifting. So left shifting is nothing, just like we are doing in the right direction, we will do the same thing in the left direction. Like if I have to right and left shift it, I'll simply put 0, 1, 0, 0. So I'm getting 20. And you might be wondering, just a second, let me show you something. What if I binary shift 1 towards the left? Let's take one here for just example. So we are getting 0 here. Now let's take 2 here and see what will happen. Still we are getting 0. Now let's see what will happen if I put 4 here. We are still getting 0. And that makes perfect sense when you look here. Like binary code for 1 is this. If I shift this one towards the left direction, that means I have to shift this one in this block. Then 0 will become this block. Like it does not matter that how many units I'll shift one, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because these are just zeros. So these zeros will just simply fall into the cell, and whatever unit we shift 1, we will only get 0. So this is how our binary shifting works.